What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the vlog. Today we have an awesome install. This car has been sitting on jack stands for probably 10 weeks straight with no suspension, and we finally got suspension for the M3. I cannot wait to get this thing installed. We have Cameron helping us out right there. And yeah, this is the suspension here, all the way from, can you read it? Can you read it? KW Automotive. So we got rid of the BC BR series stock piece of crap coilovers. I hate the BC coilovers. And these are KW Club Sports. So these are one of the best suspensions you can get for the M3 by KW. KW Club Sports. I cannot wait to throw them on the M3 and finally really truly have what it feels like to have a race car, because this is real suspension. BC's is more of a street style suspension. But without further ado, let's get this unboxed. Bam, now we got, oh my gosh, look how pretty those are. So beautiful. I'm kind of like speechless, honestly. Super nice. Let's get everything in box, show you more in depth of what these are, and get them installed in the car. And yeah, I'm kind of speechless, to be honest. These are really beautiful. So we got everything out, and well, everything's in German, so Cameron actually speaks 27 languages, so he's actually showing me what it says right now.
Yep.
Yep. Yep. Yep. I don't know what that means, but
go in car.
Go in car.
Go
Perfect.
in car.
But these are obviously much more complicated than the regular BCs, so we're just making sure everything's dialed in, and I'll put them in the car. Well, that sucked.
My hand hurts.
Let's do like an hour just to get that one done. And we have their side to do still. Great times. Yeah. So Cameron is over there working on that side. I'm gonna try to get the front started right now. And hopefully the fronts are much easier than the rears, because the rears are a pain in the ass. Alright, got both the rears in. Kind of just mocked up the front, but that's what we're gonna call it for the night, because it is getting late and we're tired. It's starting to rain, so that's what we're gonna call it for the night. See you guys tomorrow. And we're back for day 2. Okay, it is the next night now. Last night the rears absolutely killed us. We got them installed though, and now we're moving on to the fronts, which is much easier. And the tie rod and links here, whatever, sway bar and links, whatever you wanna. Did I say tie rod and links? I did tie rod, huh? Sway bar and links. Yeah, I'm an idiot. I'm gonna have my shop, German Performance, install those for me. Mainly because I pretty much want to get this car rolling onto the trailer out there, right there, and get this thing to his shop so he can completely dial it in, make them perfect like he had on his E92, and because he just has much more experience with this kind of stuff than I do. And yeah, so on to the fronts. So these are much easier. I already got this first one in. It literally just goes down into the sleeve right there, and 3 nuts on top, 1 right on the side. Very simple. Way easier than the rears. Perfect. Well, oh, that's what's on the ground. Sick. What do we got going on right now? Adjusting. Kind of. It's kind of a BITCH. But got that Club Sport in. on to this side, but we don't have a light, so.
Use your phone.
Here you go.
Thanks.
And Phil, focus, gotta line this up. Okay, up a little bit. Up a little bit.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh, baby. I'm not gonna do this one-handed.
Not good.
Not good. Ooh, buddy, we got him in the holes, buddy.
Yee!
In the hole.
In the hole.
Yeah, buddy. That's a three-way hole right there.
Yeah, boy.
Ooh. Mm-hmm. 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 Look at my terrible lighted garage.
Wow.
Just great times.
Wow.
Just great times. One, oh, I'm missing the hole. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Just gotta light the hole up, bud.
Dude.
Know what I mean? Know what I mean?
No.
Uno, dos, tres. We're almost done, buddy.
What?
We're almost done. Perfect, it's good to go. Load off. Let's get off Jack's hands. We're ready to rock.
Done.
Done. Oh my god.
Oops.
Oops. No, but the fronts are 10 times easier than the rears. Rears sucked. But we're pretty much all in. I just gotta raise the rear, so I'm just gonna raise these coilovers as high as they go. So it's easy to get on the trailer, easy to get off the trailer. And then my boy Felipe at his shop is going to do all the fine tuning, all the rebound, all of the height adjustments, all of the preload, all of that fun stuff that I am not very intelligent with. So yeah. All right, everything is on. This thing hasn't had wheels on it for like 6.5 weeks. No, 8.5 weeks. Oh my gosh. Jeez. These N-tier ones look so good. Thanks to Cameron for mounting and balancing them at our job at BMW. Yeah, they have like such a, I like these because like between actually the wheel and the tire is like flush, where the thumbpins have like the little curb rash lip, whatever they called.
Like a protector.
I'm so excited. Check this car, dude. Hopefully it starts. It hasn't been started, and it hasn't been on trickle charger, and it's been unlocked for 8.5 weeks. Well, it starts. The world may never know. All right, all four. Oh well, yep. All four wheels are on. Time to lower the car, get on the trailer in the pouring rain. Of course, it hasn't rained in like 3 weeks, and then when the car leaves my garage, it starts pouring rain. So, yeah, great. Dog, we got some fitment. Check out the fitment in the front, bruh. Bro, look at that fitment, dude. Fitment. It's not fitment. I'm just kidding. This side is like, I don't know. This side looks massive. It's hard to tell because it's dark in my garage. This side is honestly pretty dialed. That's like pretty nice. And this side just slammed. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy to see this car on the ground though, dude. It's been way too long. God bless. First start in like 8.5 weeks. Please start.
I'll do a quick print.
Ooh. Let her rip. Woo! She starts, baby! Oh! Let's go! Woo! Oh yeah, it's waving the flag. It's waving the M flag, baby. Sheesh! Let's go! Car is loaded up. It stopped raining, thank goodness. Loaded up, strapped down. Ready for me to drop this off at German Performance tomorrow morning. And yeah, super stoked right now. So that is where we are gonna close out today's video. Thanks again to Cameron for helping me with the install the past 2 days. Day 1 was a lot more rough than day 2.
Oh my god.
Much more rough.
It was so bad.
Yeah, this last day was super easy. So I know it wasn't like a full tutorial, it was more of a vlog style announcement, new coilovers and all that stuff. So car is going to German Performance tomorrow. And then once he's done fine tuning the suspension, it's gonna go to our work, B&W dealership that we work at. It's gonna get a proper track alignments because we have a state-of-the-art alignment machine. And then March 9th is the first test with the Club Sports, a SoCal Drivers Club private event. So I'm gonna film all of that, and yeah, we're tired, we're gonna go to bed. We still have work tomorrow. And yeah, if you did enjoy, please go down in the can't even talk. If you enjoyed, go subscribe down below, like the video, comment anything that any feedback or whatnot, but I'm slowing my words at this point. We're out of here. Have a great rest of your night. Peace out.